At the Range is brought to you by Davidson's Gallery of Guns.
Hi, I'm Jeff Gonzales, president of Trident Concepts. I'm here at the Range, Austin, to talk about pocket holsters. Kim, what are your thoughts on pocket holsters?
I like pocket holsters because where I live, it gets really, really cold in the wintertime. And I usually, I carry my primary off-duty weapon, appendix carry, but when I got 6 layers on because I can't get warm, I can't stuff them all behind the gun. That way I can keep, I like to have a little 5-shot in a pocket in my bib overalls or in my coat pocket, just as in an outer layer. So my hand's on it, I'm ready, regardless of how many different layers I got on. So I think it's very, especially when it's cold out, I'm a big fan of pocket carry.
Absolutely. Pocket carry is a great way to carry. It's another way to carry off the midline, so you're getting the gun away from your belt line. You can either go front pocket, you can go back pocket. I currently have one in my back pocket. So you've got a lot of options there. So with regards to wardrobe, you're not falling into those same pitfalls or traps. So those are some of the pros. Some of the cons, though, you gotta be selective about the holster that you pick. Those are very important. And then you also have to be selective about the firearm that you pick, because even a big firearm in a front pocket is still gonna be hard to get to. The nice thing about the holsters is they're supposed to break up that silhouette a little bit. They don't often do that if you don't choose wisely.
Right. Pocket holsters, women's fashion, a lot of times a cargo pocket. If I put a gun in a cargo pocket, it looks like I have a pistol in my cargo pocket. So I usually just do it outer layers. But the nice thing about these Blackhawk pocket holsters is I like to refer to them as little sticky gecko feet.
They are.
Because they are very, very grippy.
Very grippy.
The important part about pocket holsters, whatever it is that you pick to be a part of your concealed carry system, you got to make sure that when you draw the pistol out of that pocket, that the holster doesn't come with it. And depending on how that holster fits in your pocket, might be a safer idea for you to take the holster out before you reholster, and as long as if it's not going to stay open in your pocket. But whether you pick, whatever gun it is and whatever holster it is, it's just got to be safe, it's got to be efficient, and it's got to function as part of your system.
And definitely have to make sure that you practice.